Hey guys, so today you're going to go on a virtual field trip to South Asia. This is something I used last year that I really liked for two different reasons. Number one, there is a lot of freedom for the user. Like, there's not some cheesy cartoon character in the bottom that's like, "Hi, I'm your virtual tour guide," and hit the next button or anything like that. Like, you can kind of hit whatever button you would like. You can explore whatever area interests you within this virtual field trip. So there's a lot of freedom for you guys as students. Number two, the other reason why I like this is that it's a really good way to introduce a new region of the world that you're learning about. And we are learning about South Asia. So we've moved on from Africa to South Asia. Today we're going to focus on the geography, both physical and human, and then we're going to focus more on the history later on next week. So your essential question for the day, what do I expect South Asia's physical geography and human geography to be like? And you're going to answer that question by using the virtual field trip link, which is right here, this search results India link. When you click on that and open it up, it'll give you all of the virtual field trips available for South Asia. For those of you who are not familiar with what countries or what region of the world would be considered South Asia, it's this green part right here. So here's Africa, here's the Middle East, and here's Europe. South Asia would include countries like Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh. Those would all count as South Asian countries. All right. So you can go ahead and click on any one of these different field trips that you would like to take, and you can take more than one if you would like. Go ahead and just click on this one. I'm going to show you how to navigate this website. When you open it up, it'll look something like this. It'll kind of give you this introductory how to control the panorama. Go ahead and mute the sound if you feel like that'll bother you. That's just in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. And then you can go ahead and start looking around right away. So just by clicking and dragging, take a look around. They'll have different spots marked for you within your virtual field trip. So if you're curious or if you want to take a look at those different areas, you can just click on them and it will zoom in for you. And within that zoomed in portion, you can still click and drag to look around. If you would like to get some background on what's going on in this picture, go ahead and just click this article and it'll tell you some information. You can also click through these spots, these little circles right here, and that would be going through all of the different spots that they marked within this field trip. So if you'd rather do that, you can do that as well. Just kind of click through these. You're going to use your field trip, your virtual field trip, to answer these questions in a Google form. So the Google form is this virtual field trip report. When you open it up, it looks like this. And these are the same questions that are posted on Google Classroom. Number one, how would you describe South Asia's physical geography? That would include the climate, the common physical features like rivers, oceans, mountains, so on and so forth. Ways that you would describe their physical geography, you can just type your answer right down here. Next question, how would you describe South Asia's human geography? So that would include any religions that they practice, their culture, their population density, common occupations or jobs that they might have, any social issues, anything that would include their way of life. And then you're going to go ahead and come up with a level 2 or 3 question. Remember, a level 2 or 3 question is going to require critical thinking. Like, you can't easily type the question into Google and get the answer. So like, what's the capital of India? That would be a level 1 question. Don't write that kind of question. Level 2 question would be like comparing and contrasting, and a level 3 question would be like, there's no right or wrong answer. You're just asking somebody their opinion, and they would use evidence to back it up. All right. See if there's anything else that I need to say. I think that's pretty much it. This is not going to be graded. I just want to see what you guys can get from this virtual field trip, just to kind of introduce you so you're familiar with what South Asia is like before we start talking about its history. Just a quick reminder, the Apartheid one-pager is due December 22nd. Conferences are December 21st, that's Monday, and midterm is also December 21st. If you have any questions about the assignment or about any of those reminders, the Apartheid one-pager conferences or midterms, feel free to email me, call or text that Google Voice phone number, or you can always pop in during open office hours from 1:30 to 3. Have fun, guys.